I started experiencing knee pain 6 years ago. Fast forward, 2 years ago, I started playing pickleball, and you know, I would have to wear braces on my knees. I did a tournament where I played 3 days in a row, and by the end of the tournament I was limping and could hardly walk back to my car. So that was when I decided to go see a doctor. I went to an orthopedic doctor. They took x-rays and told me I had nearly bone-on-bone arthritis in both knees. The right knee was asymptomatic pretty much, but the left knee really gave me trouble. So he fit me with this clunky custom knee brace, $1,000 knee brace that I wore for almost 2 years playing pickleball. I've since then retired, no longer go up and down a ladder, so that helped. But just been, you know, experiencing a lot of pain, you know, especially at night. If I sit too long, it tightens up and I, you know, have to work it out. I stretch religiously. And it just got to the point where nothing seems to be helping. They told me I would inevitably need a knee replacement, probably in both knees. And I just didn't want to do that. Recently, my father-in-law passed away from complications from knee surgery. I have another friend who lost her sister due to complications from a knee replacement surgery. So I started looking into other options. So I scheduled a free consultation with Dr. Lobez, and he told me that you have like a introductory offer, and that within 6 visits you should know if it works or not, and avoid a several $1,000 surgery and recovery time and all the risks that go along with surgery. You know, I'm in. Yeah. So, so I started coming, and pretty true to what he said, within 5 or 6 weeks I started seeing just little changes, little improvements. He got me off the knee brace that I was wearing to play pickleball. And, you know, I'm pretty hardcore. I play 3 times a week for a couple hours at a time, whether it hurts or not.
You're winning tournaments even.
Yeah, in tournaments, yeah. So I wasn't about to give that up. So anyway, there was some adjustments there, getting used to not playing with the brace, you know, and using muscles that I hadn't used in a long time. But little by little, I started seeing changes. You know, he started adjusting my spine, and I was also not having just hip pain, but also, or I'm sorry, not just knee pain, but hip pain, especially at night. And that kind of, you know, I thought, well, even if I get my knee replaced, that's not going to go away. So what I like about Dr. Lobez is he treats the whole body. He, you know, started adjusting my neck and my back, and slowly my hip pain started to improve. And so I have been coming and doing the laser therapy, started 3 times a week, I think, for 2 weeks, and then we cut back to about twice a week. So I don't know, how long's it been? About 6 weeks, I think. Probably. And today I'm so excited because I am pain-free. I watched my granddaughter all day today. We went for a walk around the neighborhood, which is, I live on up and down hills, and
you didn't think it'd be like this without a surgery?
No, I thought, yeah, I mean, and I'll tell you something that was really amazing. I was playing pickleball Monday, and I played with a friend I hadn't seen in a long time. She says, "Karen, you're not wearing your knee brace." And I says, "No, I don't." She says, "What, did you have surgery?" And I said, "No, I don't need it anymore." And she says, "Well, what did you do?" And I said, "I had laser therapy." So that was pretty awesome. I play with my 23-year-old son in pickleball tournaments, and we played last weekend, I believe it was, 4-hour tournament. I mean, of course, there's breaks in between, but anyway, we got our first silver medal, so I was real happy about that. And my knee, I was very pleased. My knees did great, you know, during the. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. And what do you have to lose? I mean, what's a few $100s if, you know, if you gain your mobility and lose a lot of pain?
That's right.